So it looks like this is done. And so we just have to restart our computer. So once you install a virtual machine, or once you install the operating system and it's working, it will prompt you to restart the computer. And then technically, if it were to be a normal device, it will ask you to remove your USB stick or remove the CD, and you press enter and then it will restart it. So basically that's that process that we just facing now. So at this point, our machine will be coming up. Few seconds and then we'll have our live machine. Normally I prefer to have a different view. So I want to scale it a bit so that I can be able to move it like this. Otherwise, it's difficult for me to stretch it. If you do it bigger, it's difficult. So I'll just do this.